In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive buckets in Microsoft Planner. If you want a simple way to mark a bucket as archived without deleting it, this method is a practical workaround you can use directly inside your Planner board. We'll create a clear archive indicator so that the bucket is easy to identify later and doesn't get confused with active work. To begin, go to the bucket or list. You want to repurpose and rename it to archive. This helps make its purpose immediately obvious to anyone viewing the plan. Using a consistent name like archive is useful, especially if multiple people collaborate in the same planner board, because it creates a visual signal that this section is no longer for active tasks. Once the list has been renamed, click Add Task inside that archive bucket. The idea here is to create a placeholder task that helps label and define the bucket more clearly. This is helpful because Microsoft Planner doesn't provide a direct archive bucket feature in this context, so this approach gives you a simple structure for organizing older or completed items. Now, enter a task name, then click Add Task to create it. Keep the task title straightforward so it's easy to recognize at a glance. A clear name works best because this task is mainly serving as an archive marker rather than a working task. After the task is created, open it so you can edit the details. Opening the task allows you to change its status and add a note, which makes the archive setup more complete and easier to understand later. In the task details, find the status field and change it to completed. Marking it as completed is important because it reinforces that this is not an active item. It visually separates the archive marker from tasks that still need action, which can help keep your board cleaner and more organized. Next, add a note such as Archive in the Notes section. This gives the task a little more context and makes its purpose crystal clear if someone clicks into it later. Notes are especially useful when you want to avoid confusion for teammates or for your future self when reviewing the board. And that's it. By renaming the bucket to archive, creating a task inside it, marking that task as completed, and labeling it in the notes, you create a simple archive system inside Microsoft Planner. It's a clean way to preserve older sections of work without removing them entirely. As a quick tip, try keeping your naming consistent across all plans so archived buckets are easy to spot. That small habit can make your planner workspace much easier to manage over time.